Hi everyone, my name is Ari Trigger. I'm working in the pre-sales department at Provision ISR. Thank you for joining today's tutorial on how to set up an illegal parking analytic via our NVR. Let's begin. Just so you're aware, we are running an eyesight camera with firmware version 5.1.3, which supports the illegal parking analytic. In addition, we are using firmware version 1.4.10 on the NVR, and we're going to use the NVR to send a push notification to our Cam2 application. In order to set up the analytic, we go to our settings, and then we locate Event and Analytics, and then we select Other. It will bring up our analytics settings page. From there, we can select which camera we would like to set up the analytic. For this example, we've only got one camera connected to our NVR, so we'll select the back DDA2 camera. And we'll go ahead and select Illegal Parking Detection Analytic. First, we need to enable the analytic by clicking the tick box, and then we can start drawing our area where we want to detect illegal parking events. Then we can set our time threshold. For this instance, we're going to set 12 seconds so that in the event the vehicle enters and stays in this illegal parking area for more than 12 seconds, we'll get our trigger or reaction. We can also fine-tune our object size by adjusting the minimum and maximum width and height. And then once we have set up the parameters, we can go ahead and decide which detection object we would like to detect. So as it's illegal parking, naturally we have the option of vehicle and two-wheel vehicle, and we can also play with the sensitivities as well. Once that has been decided, we can go to our triggers. And for this example, we're going to configure the push notification. Therefore, if there is an illegal parking event, we want to receive a notification on the Cam2 application. And we would like a video pop-up on our NVR as well. In addition to this, we can configure the NVR to trigger an alarm output to activate an external device like a siren or a strobe light, alerting the driver if illegal parking has been detected. So we can go to the alarm output and hit configure. So for example, we can select the NVR alarm output where we may have connected a strobe to, and we can select the alarm output of the camera itself where we may have installed a siren. Once we have done that and we're happy with our triggers, we can go ahead and hit apply. Moving on to live view. When a vehicle enters the sterile area, we aim to get a push notification on the application, which has occurred. Once we receive the notification, we can click on the notification on our cell phone. We'll open up the Cam2 application, take us straight to the notifications, and from here we can see the illegal parking event where we've got additional options. So we can either go straight to live view, we can go to playback, we can trigger an alarm output. So as you can see in the live view, a car was stationary in our sterile area. And because we had the siren and strobe lights connected, these would activate upon this rule being broken. If you need to disable any of the alarm outputs before it automatically disables, or basically before the event is over, you can click on the screen, go to the alarm outputs of the camera, and you can manually disable the alarm outputs. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.